Good day everyone, so we're back for another airdrop. So this airdrop is in partnership with Trust Wallet and My Lucky Planet. Don't worry, it's absolutely 100% free. All you need is visit the link in the video description. Pagkatapos niyan ay gawin nyo lang itong shipbuilding task, which is common. You need Trust Wallet and connect your social account just like Twitter. Follow mo lang yung social task. Pagkatapos niyan, that's total of 7 tasks. After nyan, you can recruit or invite. It's optional, depende na yan sa iyo. You will earn points dito sa task or gems na pwedeng maging conversion in airdrop in the near future. So nobody knows. Katapos yan, sagutan nyo lang itong discover quest. That's a total of 15 questions. So meron tayong ginawa na mga kodigo niyan or kopya ng sagot. Visit nyo lang yung ating Facebook page or official group. Ito yung Facebook page natin. Nakikita nyo dyan, scroll down nyo lang, makita nyo yung mga sagot. Follow nyo rin, guys. Pwede rin po kayo sumali sa ating official group channel, Facebook, nang sa ganun updated tayo sa mga posts or mga airdrops. Pwede nyo rin i-visit itong official Twitter account ng Trust Wallet para makita nyo yung mismong post kung legit ba yung ginagawa natin. We have 4 days remaining para matapos itong campaign na ito. So hurry up and join now. There are projects or game quests coming soon. Gamitin nyo lang ating link sa ating video description para marami pa tayong magawang video in the near future. Follow for more. See you next time. Bye bye.